Hello everyone and welcome to I Love Robotics YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the pip is not recognized as an internal or external command on Windows 10. Alright, before I get started, please subscribe to support my channel and let's get right into it. So first, to show you there, let me go to the search bar and then type CMD to open up a command window, and then I'm going to type pip here and enter. So you see that error. The reason for this is pip path is not added to your system path. You just need to find out where pip is, copy the path, and then add it to your system path. All right, so let's go back to search bar and then here type environment. And then you see this edit the system environment variable. Just click this. At the bottom, click environment variables. And then here under system variables, you should see path. Click path and then press edit. And then here, just you need to find where pip is installed and then copy and paste the path here. So now I'm going to go back to folder explorer. So for my case, I've installed Python in C, and under the folder Python, I'm going to go to this folder and then go to the folder scripts, and then you see pip here, right? So we just go back here, Control C to copy the path, and then come back here and then click new, and then Control V to paste the path we just copied. Click OK, click OK, click OK. And now just close this command window. Sometimes you also need to reboot your PC or your laptop. So let's go back here and then type CMD and then now type pip. And then now you should not see that error. As you can see, you do not see that error, and then you see a bunch of text here that is instruction on how to use pip. So now there is fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video, and then do not forget to subscribe.